Number 12. Mobile car wash or detailing. Everyone loves a clean car, but not everyone has the time or patience to do it themselves. That's where a mobile car wash comes in. Low startup costs, high demand, and immediate cash flow. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You don't need fancy equipment, just buckets, car soap, microfiber cloths, sponges, and some wax for detailing. Simple, effective, and affordable. Step 2. Offer your services locally. Post on social media, join community WhatsApp groups, or even leave flyers at apartment complexes and parking lots. Highlight convenience. I come to your car, you stay home or at work. Convenience sells. Step 3. Set your pricing per car. A standard wash can go for $20, while a full detailing service can reach $100 depending on size and condition. And here's the smart move. Offer recurring weekly or monthly packages. Many car owners prefer a subscription because it keeps their vehicle consistently clean and keeps your cash flow steady. Once demand grows, you can scale by hiring helpers, splitting neighborhoods, and covering more clients in a day. Soon, what started as a one-person hustle turns into a small mobile car wash business, bringing in steady income while solving a real problem for your community. So, if you like hands-on work and providing visible results, mobile car detailing is a simple, scalable, and profitable side hustle. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.